our show again. When I ask you to done regularly for this place, when we show, you need to jollificate to go make you happy. Because this one, now your late night about to sleep tonic, we go make you do it in sleep well like small pikin. Yes, sir. Every time, any day we carry come here, you know, so we carry better things them. They carry sunjuna. I dey here with my men them. I no go fit deal without them. When I know so. Chakra.
Hey. Who go on, mama? Who go to Kwe?
Over.
I do.
Today.
But it's a happy day, man. I don't know. I don't believe say from now till the end of this month.
Yeah.
This month of May. You know, say now my month.
Yeah.
Now my month.
We didn't hear you. No worry.
You understand?
No, May 17 be your month.
Yes.
Be your day.
Yes. Say from now till the end of May. May everything you are looking for come your way in Jesus' name. May you never lack. May you never stumble.
Amen.
May you continue to live long in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So why it be say now on Wednesday? Now you happy like this. You like ladies' nights. Every ladies' night, you dey feel prophecy to just day because you know say girls go full this bar today.
No matter of ladies' night.
Now waiting.
No matter of ladies' night.
Now waiting.
Yes.
My spirit is just
ladies' night matter don't carry better waiting I carry come today. We no surprise. We don't talk this matter before, but some people, some of our fans, them call right time. Say we need to talk about them again.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
That
is a return match.
Return of the mark.
Please. We need to specifically say this matter again. Which one? Dey Attract Man Pass? Bobby? Or the backside?
Okay, that's return of the boobs and the bam bam.
And the bam bam and the bumbo clap.
Which one? Dey Attract Man Pass?
In another news, before you even go too far, Chakara and we clearly know. Majority of the songs that they don't sing today in the industry are all about bum bum. Everybody shake out your bum bum. Boku. Which one again? Jam and juice. Nah, bum bum.
Yeah.
You understand?
No,
Jam and juice is bum bum.
Jam and juice.
Jam and juice is bum bum.
I don't think say Jam and
Jam, are you arguing with Sister Morgan?
You want me to chop
Let
your
us
money?
bet. How much?
You want me to chop your money?
Let's bet how much. Jam and juice is what?
Jam and juice.
Did I tell
The
you?
girl with the jam and juice.
Which girl with the jam and juice?
They say bum bum. Now jam and
You
juice
know
bum
any
bum.
girl with German juice, so.
Wetin the
You know
mean
say
there?
girl with German juice, so.
Wetin they
Girl
talk?
wants the German juice.
Nah,
Okay.
look. Oh, what is all of this now?
It's German juice is that juice that will come later after the
You know
whole
what?
man.
You know what?
After the whole cranking.
For saying this, next week we'll bring Cynthia Morgan.
Okay.
Make she explain the German juice.
Okay.
Says that you want spoiler.
Okay.
Now,
then.
I need to really know that because you know, say the last time we'll talk about the matter, a lot of people they talk for our social media, they knock and they say, see, and this one and that one. But really, let's face the facts. I want to use one babe as example. You get one babe who just enter our office. He never too take. Waiting the babe carry for front, not be here.
I know they talk about praise.
I know.
I know they like it. I know they feel high by mouth. And okay,
never
mean
see 'em.
praise. You never see praise.
You never see am?
You don't know Monica.
You
Monica.
know, I a new PA now.
No.
Asha the girl she carry front, she carry back. She too waiting. What do you call her? No, but let me tell you. Now.
But really, if you see that babe, first thing when you go notice.
It's not only the body, but she get backside.
But the first thing when you go notice.
But I believe say first man did notice for girl now.
Nah, Bobby.
Now lie.
Because most girls they always face man as man.
Now because now you they face them now. If not from back, where they come?
But you want tell me now say if you see that praise now waka pass, you know the look at.
Do you know what I look at if I see praise pass?
Waiting.
Anybody, if for me how they take look girl. When I see girls stand for my front, I just see the curve. And for you to get that curve, now that means that you get bum. So when you see, I can't turn back. I go, you say, so how are you? Now they go back.
But it's very rare for a girl to get curve. I can't get flat bum.
No, yes, very rare.
It's
very rare.
No,
some girls get hips, you understand? They feel not to get the bum, but it did. But it is very rare. You understand? That's why Drake say he likes men. I'm saying like Drake now. I love my girls to be baby W. I love to see
Let's talk
For
as
me,
men.
for me.
Some men
You
like
know,
boobs.
say-
My neighbor, that one he like Bobby. So say one day carry one girl, you know, get Bobby. You know, say the guy use straw. The make sure say he just want make sure say he have a fee.
No, you know, see, Bobby is only good when you are in the action. Bobby is for men, for how I know how men they like him. Now in the heat of the action. And most men, we just know, say, they don't want to date this girl. That just for the cranking purposes. That night, you go. But if that girl where you know, say you want to keep as your girlfriend or your wife, my brother, na the bomb.
But you know, say during cracking, Bobby and Bombo, one thing they lost. Which one if you say they lost? When we say, you know, they really come to play like that.
Now I want to go into...
No, just
I don't question first now.
Because I know say
I never understand what you mean.
One they lost.
What if I lost?
What I mean say one they lost, we say one know the two
They relevant.
they relevant too much during cranking.
All of them, they relevant. And I can tell you only they more relevant to me.
Which one?
To me, if I finish...
Fire than confess bad boy.
Because they laugh. No.
Bad boy confess.
I never do all this before. I've told you before. I'm just
The
saying...
one where you reach for a kid.
The one way
Thank you. From a psychological and philosophical view. Now, if you are cranking and the girl is lying down on her back, no matter how much, if you say you won't lie on the girl, you cannot touch the Bobby because you are lying like this.
But can you touch the bomb?
Hold on now. Oh my goodness.
No, tell us.
You are lying flat like
do
this.
all these kind of things.
What? Excuse me. No, don't call use me. They like say that me what. You can touch the bomb from. You can hold it and do. And then most times, if you raise the leg and you're trying Silifan method, if you say you want to hold the Bobby down, you know what you understand.
It's okay.
Then
Let me ask you a question.
If you want to,
You don't do.
I'm trying to educate you.
I say you and let me ask you. I don't get. I don't get.
Okay, so from these few points of mine,
do.
I hope you have been convinced and not confused that the bomb is the most essential.
And that's the last question I'm asking you on the show.
But I dey believe say I get men wey be say if you no get Bobby as woman, to them you not be am. May you get all the bomb wey dey this world. But Bobby for them na the most important part for woman body. I don't see babe wey be say her Bobby not pass like this. But the bomb it be like this. But at the end of the day,
okay,
let me tell you now. Do you know if they tell me to choose? Do you know if they tell me to show my novel, they say make I choose for my wife. Say we want to give your wife one. You understand? Now your wife but want to give her one. Do you know I prefer backside and hips?
Yes.
With shape. You know why?
Yes.
Because when you go out, you can make up for this bubble.
You
understand?
No, but they can make up for
No, if you wear, it will be obvious. They will know.
They will know.
If you go, you know, get how they say your wife no, that person will not get at all.
Yeah.
One day they just come out like this. They just see her. She all year round,
We get one girl where they always come this bar where they always wear that thing till they go. But I want cite example, and I want you to tell me if I'm lying. Destiny, our Destiny, that's Susan. Destiny no gets the.
But she
the
gets
front.
averagely.
No, I'm just saying. When we're talking about Bobby, Bobby is Bobby, like Praise is Bobby. That is. I don't give for no.
Praise is factory.
Monica, that's Bobby.
Praise is factory.
No.
Monica is mini factory.
But you see how Destiny cover everything. Any man go they attracted because of that shape. And therefore, I mean, if you no get a good man that knows how to release and crank very well, and you know that a child will come in the future, your child will enlarge that Bobby for you. Even if the Bobby is less,
like
your
Rita,
child will enlarge it.
like Rita now. Rita has.
Today now you want measure Rita now.
No, she's my
Yesterday
girl.
when Kwadafa was here,
you deny him.
No, I didn't know the angle you guys were coming from. No. What we're saying that.
Kwadafa will come back to she will still come back to this bar again.
She will come.
Don't worry, act like I don't worry. I will be yesterday. I supported you, but next time I see Kwadafa, I will open your hands.
And Kwadafa no dey here, but look at her like yesterday now. Kwadafa no to get Bobby, you understand? But look at
but she gets average.
No, that is not Bobby now. That is Bob. I'm talking about Bobby.
But do you know she will still have?
May we enter street.
Where you give her beleba?
Because she's still growing up.
We dey
She's
come
just
back.
22.
You don't carry this age. You don't forget this
carry
age.
the age proof for you.
Perfect age for you.
Hey!
I'm about to go.
I the two.
I the two for me.
The one that attracts man pass on woman body is the breast.
Bum bum. Na the breast man.
Na bum bum.
Na breast.
Na bum bum. I better pass. I the sweet well. Okay.
Na BOBOS now.
I don't go lie you. Both of them.
For me, na breast and your face.
That one a university question though. I don't go school.
Bumbo makes sense to not go there. I think Bumbo makes sense.
Na breast now. Yes.
Another thing is that if the woman has a pointed one, the man will appreciate and it will quickly attract people.
Bumbo na breast, everything Bumbo.
I the two. Both breast and bumbo.
Everything they attract me now, the face, everything.
When you have cool, sexy face and then get bum bums, okay.
Ah, man. I prefer the bum bum, man, because I think they shake, man, confirm. you know the package, man, but confirm, both, yeah, you have to combine both for you to feel the vibe, you know what I mean?
Na bum bum. Na big way, oversize.
I love it. Don't talk this joke. Say the one man they drive with his wife. I mean, uncle. Every time you see one get go say, one day, like see the wife day, you see the big boy again, and he shout, Idire. Help me complete the joke. But don't forget.
Now the woman come out and say, Idiwo. Now I say, Idimo to me.
Oh boy, I won't lie to you.
But really, you know where I don't see point, say, man, babe, backside makes sense. I remember in school.
Oh, now you hungry.
I never thought.
Now you want now. I never for the first day now you want choose side.
I don't talk anything. Say Bobby or.
But normally you they always choose side.
Some men.
Normally.
Now the way they do before. Not the person who say the only stiff meat for pot. Did they when him go school? On that person stiff meat does say na Tifa.
Yes.
Every day you go say
they on the fence.
So more just put it for the middle way you did before.
I know me say we don't even see.
Oh yeah, if you like Bobby talk.
Oh yeah, talk. You know that mama me say like bum. Oh yeah.
Wait till you like sock.
Yeah, sock. This guy want feel the song bum in the place of. You go say, my dear, you do not have Bobby. Let me just
make your point.
Oh yeah, make your point.
But really, say when you see some girls, they say they're very, very curvy. Extremely curvy. Some girls they're not too too big. But for the size shape of their body, they get the sizable bobby and they get the sizable nyash bombo.
You can look at Yemi and Lade. The bobby not too big, but good curve. Look at Nicki Minaj. Very moderate bobby, but it's the bum that is the woman though.
Nicki Minaj
it's the bum that is the woman because I have seen.
Na real.
I don't care whether na real or not. It is her bum.
Nah, it's Kim Kardashian's own real.
Thank you.
No, that one. For you to be international, sorry.
Hey.
I know what I talk before. I say for you to be international model. You understand? Say English, sometimes you go.
Shakara.
Say I'm not to be speaking
Shakara.
English. Say na picture. International model.
So now you don't call Kim that kind of name.
No,
so that means say you don't put Amber Rose now for the same category. Level? And the band future wife be that.
No, say for you to sexy like that, make two men leave you, say they don't want to marry you. That means you be colleague to another supermodel. You understand? Maybe two of them they do the same business. Understand? I don't know the kind of business.
Why they try cover up?
And I know I say I shall work on a mistake. I don't even know why I shall come off my mouth.
You know why? I will follow your word. May thunder have his way on you because you know the Ashawo way you don't see for your life. When you don't see, none of them be like Kim.
No, see.
Which Ashawo way you don't crank, we be like Kim Kardashian, or way you don't see.
So because monkey they stay America now, we call him bingo. Monkey na monkey. If you like make it stay where. If you like monkey na monkey, you can never change monkey name.
You know say, may we talk the truth. We men, we are this species that we have one particular things that we are likable of, which is I have come to observe that men we like bum bum. Why?
No, but we like Bobby.
I know. But the reason why I say men like bum bum now, say, you feel me to one girl now, we say she gets all the Bobby for this world. But by the time you finally see the whole shape, the bum bum not too day there, you go change your mindset a little bit.
Funny enough, now some of the girls now then they make men they really like the Bobby.
So why? Explain.
Like the bum bum, because many girls will get Bobby, they don't allow you really explore. No touch if you talk about when you really on your own, you know, say you get how you want to really explore the Bobby. But then they say they would you know, some guys they defend.
You mean during the cracking process?
During one start everything. You get how you for your mind you really want to explore this Bobby. But the other say I wait happen.
But even some men say wicked.
But no matter how I get bum or rich, you know if you call the stop, you say any guy ever stop, you say stop pressing my bum like that.
Hey! Never stop you.
And they ask, no, yes now.
The last guy with smart girl bum when he dey crank. The slap where he receive. That guy just get hand long. And just say, towers.
And I think where they watch from Ojibo film.
I'm going to see your opinion.
I'm not hear from the guests.
We go continue the matter when they come back. Now see BOBOS here. We never go anywhere.
I hope say these guys will get breasts or bumper because they're not going to like her.
For sure now it is the breast, I guess.
I think the ass. Yeah, the bum bum.
Breast or bum bum? Which one that you
Some men are breast, while some men are bum bum.
Na boobs oh.
But breast attracts past bum bum.
Na boobs.
Let me say bum bum.
Okay. I think the breast is so. Yeah. But it depends on the guy, sha.
Na boobs, because na front men they quick see. Okay. As I dey waka go like this, na my front you first see. You see my back? You no see my back.
Though some guys where I don't see, once they just see get away pass them with, big backside, they'll be like, wow. Even if they don't want toes to get, but that's, that shape where they see, they always attract them more than the chest. So I think bum bum.
Well, the two, both attract men. If you have a big boob, attract men. If you have ass, what they can touch and press, that's what they like. So I don't know.
What they can
you know, say I always like the way our babes and they always talk. Some babes and they like to they really code them. But that babe even talk one thing say, now waiting you first see, now they attract you. But I feel say Nigerian men, take Nigerian men for example. Nigerian men we they like when babe gather for backside. Why? So that when they walk out for front, you go they look back, they notice the people they look.
Look, there's nothing where they move. You see, the bum they move, they shake more than the front. Most times the front, unless those girls when they want really like cozy. Cozy we don't feel help our own. Cozy cannot help our own. So no matter how much they must shake like as if it's the bum. But you see with that bum movement.
No, you know say cozy.
Cozy don't even get bum.
No, I say cozy bum. Cozy.
You know say for real life. Don't be crushing on you. You know say for real life. Cozy don't nearly remain small like this. So may give me.
The bum. I won't give you the boobs or whatever you carry they go. No, but do you know why I feel his bum?
If I say, make go upon this Caesar now, say, about him. Me turn that this way. You know, say, Coach invites me and Caesar. Go have video shoot. One video shoot that she do. That time for ShopRite.
Yeah.
Then we go. Now, Kosi, now Caesar, now she can't use do her handsome boyfriend.
Okay, so I don't see that video now.
So me, get 6 packs.
So me, I come with one guy, we just the come by, we call the...
No, man, I tell you why. Man, I tell you how women do. Because she don't know, say you get interest. You understand? So she want to do small shakara for you first. As you know that your name now. And if you name the follow person, anybody, any girl will see you now must do shakara for you first.
You say go get your own 7 packs now.
But let me tell you, you know why I feel say na bum. You see, Bobby is common. Nearly every girl get Bobby. Even if you no get, you must get small. But you see, to have
Bobby get shapes and sizes.
But to have bum, where man go say, wow. There's no man, even if you marry the finest woman, way flat for back. If you see another girl we get bomb on the pass for adjust the pass, he must turn. He must shout to D-Ray, he must say, wow.
I think,
you agree with me?
I think I will enter that bomb with you. So that
you need to now.
So
look at even a car. If you are driving a car with a good backside, you see how elegant it feels, you understand?
I feel
then imagine you're walking with Nicki Minaj.
Because you know why they won't support you now? Because no guy go enjoy bomb rich, way bomb will disturb you.
No.
But a guy go enjoy Bobby rich. You know, get some people get stretch mark, they hook for two. You get some people go suck you, because they use toothpick, they come out stretch mark.
Grace. I mean, I don't want anything that someone will come and struggle later. I want to love Bomb because if I can't get picky now, my child go there on the upside, I will be on the downside. I know that this is my own, you understand? We all share it.
Your own department.
My own department. No, you know they hear us, you see. No worry.
No, they hear with which department?
He say my department.
Bobby, now you like now.
This one is Bobby United, Manchester. Don't be your club with that, self.
No say
hold on a second. You be waiting, you be
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Okay,
they just win Premier League.
You don't even get any side. We now Arsenal fans will be that's why we like us. You understand? Man, you put it like Manchester.
No, Chelsea na Agbero na.
Agbero now. Anything goes.
Rapist.
Anything goes.
What do you mean? What is raping?
Yeah, where they do when they get one mega jam where they do Wushi yourself.
Yeah.
The guy with the catch where they rape on girl na Chelsea just wear. Not be joke oh.
May turn that have his.
They snapper now where they call it.
Nobody will go with the guy where you see. Chelsea that any girl, anything, they take it. I agree.
Yeah.
Finally.
I like
Finally.
Now guys, they cheat, but now, oh my wine.
Yeah.
We not cheat again.
We don't cheat anymore.
Don't you see us?
We are faithful men.
We are in this bar. Yesterday we had a girl. She went home on her own. But that girl could be cheating on her boyfriend. You know?
We know they cheat. Yes, we just go, we cannot go and sleep with girl outside. Yes, we just go do
inside house
and leave.
Let's go and leave. We cannot sleep with girl.
You know, but I don't like if you this. I don't confuse who they cheat past, yeah.
But wait, babes,
I confuse.
These days say babes do they cheat.
You know, because the girls they always talk say guys they cheat, and you know say girls no go know. I shock when I hear if I talk this thing when I hear my friend they tell me say I'm not talking.
The one where you can't go the console.
The one where you go console.
Where you want console take.
The one where you console crank come one take.
Now so Bero take find my trouble this weekend. They carry friend come back. Now I know say girls they cheat. The girl they give her my friend though should they give Bero friend phone number. Is that not the cheating of the highest order?
No, that's not your phone number.
To show that
you know what he tell Bero friend. No, he's just my friend. We knew for like over 14 years. Yeah?
That is you.
That's
if your
me.
girl won't cheat if your girl won't cheat on you, watch girl very well. If I tell you pattern the way girl say cheat, plenty. Some girl will be say don't do their blood. See one highest one. No, say before. They get one word don't say the right number give barman. Barman come hold and join three come drop am for her front like this. But now see this pattern. The man where the eye has stand up go piss. Right number. Drop for front of female toilet. I see the man they come like this. She they stand up, they go piss. They all go pick.
But what of if she go before she go another person don't reject carrier?
I don't even need to ask her. I don't need to ask her.
Another person when they involve. You know if you're working on again, just go see paper.
But you know how now Instagram day now just to ask the person say what's your name? He say, my name is...
Instagram, they get at so
now you go ask now. You say,
they use their real
wait now. What's your name? My name is Beatrice. Beatrice? See you on, I think you're on Instagram. Beatrice, you go say, Beatrice _ You don't get enough finish.
No, like you as a man, you go no say that man, that girl watch it on you.
So, now they settle down to the fact, saying that bomb men, they prefer pass than Bobby, I mean?
No, but if you be girl, you don't get bomb, no be sad. You can't toast you now. You go say, I know like.
No, but what we balance out, and what I said is this: most times when a guy won't marry, or want serious relationship, he they prefer to see the girl we get that shape. Yeah. No, be say we don't like Bobby because we know we have the ability to massage every bobby and restore it to its full glory.
No, Bobby, if you marry girl when you get Bobby, every tendency, because when she don't born, like I said, baby fat will come, and then it go
enlarge. Well, basically for me, anyone now your choice, you will be one way they there.
Let's say don't decrease.
Pay you.
Which one be anyone? What will be your own choice?
Now Bobby, it's now Bum Bum.
This guy ex-girlfriend get the two. Oh yes, he get the two.
He get the two.
No wonder.